IDPs taking refuge at the relief camp located at the veterinary office, Kurai, staged a sit-in today against the government's plan to hold the SANGAI festival amidst the ongoing crisis. During the protest, the IDPs displayed placards which read, "We are Indians, not refugees. We want to go home. We boycott SANGAI festival. First resettlement, next SANGAI festival. And free movement first, next SANGAI festival." Speaking to reporters, former Meitei Council President Fulindro denounced the government's plan to hold SANGAI festival amid the chaotic situation in the state, saying the government should prioritize resettling IDPs, opening national highways and resolving the crisis first. He condemned the government's manner of handling the IDPs, alleging that they are being treated inhumanly, confined to camps and receiving barely a square meal a day. Fulindro further demanded the government to address the concerns of the IDPs and the general public before organizing any mega festival like the SANGAI festival.
Moredagi, Surasanpurdagi, Kampopuri Chelakpa, relief camp the Labami Mam, Hawaii Karacharaga, Jen Boiler, Loibidumina, Bharat Sarkar, Manipur Sarkana, Kubutaki, Mongse, Masi, Jumda, resettlement of the festival set on the Pamdi. Hojik aikoina National Highway 102 amachong National Highway 37 Imphal Dimapur amachong Imphal Badarpur ilambi punamak thinglarga Meitei se ngayokpa chaphuda leibagumna mapana suktokpa sugaya dana economy sugam sokchala matamsida SANGAI festival si PR sarkar sina kaithoiba senbam si sayen ngai loisanmina se ana sinbagi mawongni masigi festival se aikoina tawhanba pamde adana ngasi sit and protest tawjaribani.